Hey, what's up, Bittorrent token holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Bittorrent token BTT. What's the current price of Bittorrent token? What's the price in token, the Bittorrent token? In this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. My friends, at this time, the situation is getting crazy. The 1-day pricing is positive. The second day pricing is negative. Sometimes the price is going good. Sometimes the price is going down. So the people are confused and they can't understand that what should we do in this critical situation. Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Is it time to hold? No one can understand this situation. But the currently latest price of the BTT token is 0.003075 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Bittorrent token. And the pricing is, as I told you, my friends, now at this time the pricing is again positive and the previous change is negative. The currently latest change is positive and the previous change is negative. So the currently situation is again going crazy. My friends, the Bittorrent token is completely fast down. You can see here the average level change is negative, and my friends, at this time the BTT token holders are completely in the loss. Completely loss. Negative 9.77% loss. So what should we do in this critical situation? You know what, my friends? At this time, if you look the latest price change, so now in the last time the price start moving upward, and you know what, at this time my prediction is going positive on BTT token. I really recommend for all of you that please hold, don't decide to sell, my friends. Please hold it. If you hold, so there is a chance that you will get profit from the Bittorrent token, and if you decide to sell, so nothing you will get. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Abel's Tech channel for more news and updates videos.